Good morning viewers, I am Dr. Harsh. Today I am going to discuss testes, right? Now, testis is a male gonad. It is homologous with the ovaries of the females, right? Now we have two testes, right and left testes. So right testis and left testis. Left testis lies lower than the right one. It's lower in shape as well as size than the right one. L for lower, L for left, right? Now, the testis, the upper end lies forwards and medially than the lower end, forwards and medially. So it is placed obliquely in the scrotum. The upper end lies medially and forwards. I have tilted it medially and forward. If this is a midline, it lies medially and forwards. I am holding on the left testis, right? Now, let's discuss the anatomical position. This one is a left testis, this one is a right testis. Now I will tell you why this one is a left one and why this is the right testis. So, first we discuss the border and surfaces, right? It has two borders, anterior and posterior border. It has two surfaces, medial and lateral surface. It has two ends, upper and lower end. First we will discuss upper and lower end. Upper end is very easy to distinguish from the lower one, as the spermatic cord lies in the upper end. So it is hanged by spermatic cord from the upper end. Lower end has no such attachments, right? Then we have anterior and posterior border. Anterior border is convex and smooth. Posterior border is also convex, but it has attachment of the spermatic cord. Posterior border, it lies posterolaterally on the posterior border. Spermatic cord is attached posterolaterally, right? Anterior border is convex. Now we have medial and lateral surface. So main difference in lateral borders, as we know, the spermatic cord is towards the lateral side. So medially it has a gap. This gap, I am showing this gap, right? So this is epididymis, right? So this is spermatic cord. Epididymis and spermatic cord, they lie on the upper end. So in between the epididymis and the testis, there is a space. This one, I am showing this one is a space, right? This is sinus of epididymis. So this lies on the medial side. This one lies on the medial side. So lateral side, we have attachment of the cord, which is actually posterolaterally. Anterior border is convex, posterior border we have attachment. So medial, so this one is the medial surface, this one is the lateral surface, this one is the upper surface, this one is the lower surface, and this one is the anterior border, this one the posterior border. So this is of left side, because medial side has this sinus of epididymis. So this is of left side. Let's look into this testis. This is upper pole, upper border, and this one is a lower border. Lower pole, sorry, this is upper pole, this is lower pole. This is epididymis and spermatic cord, which lies on the upper pole. So this lies posterolaterally. This one is the lateral surface. Medially we have sinus of epididymis. In between the testis and spermatic cord, this is called sinus of epididymis. This lies medially. So naturally it becomes of which side? Right side. So this is of left side, this is of right side. I think things are clear now. This is all about today's topic, testis and anatomical position. Thank you very much, students.